Now listen the recording of the biology prodigy test 1. Question number 1, match the column. Match the column. First one, protein. This is matched with peptide bond. Second, unsaturated fatty acid. This is matched with C equal to C couple bond, C double bonds. And then nucleic acid. This is matched with phosphodiester bond, and D polysaccharide. This is matched with glycosidic bonds. Next, once again match the column. A hydra succession. This is matched with phytoplankton to mesic condition. B xerarch succession. This is matched with lichens to mesic conditions. C ecological succession. This is matched with gradual change in the species composition. And D secondary succession. This is matched with faster and climax reached quickly. Next, in calotropis, estivation is velvet. Next is match the column once again. A chlorophyll A. This is matched with blue green. B chlorophyll B. This is matched with yellow green. C xanthophyll. This is matched with yellow. And D carotenoids. This is matched with yellow to yellow orange. Next one, nitrate and phosphates flowing from agricultural farms into water bodies are a significant cause of eutrophication. Next is match the column. A monohybrid cross. This is matched with 3:1. B dihybrid cross. This is matched with 9:3:3:1. C incomplete dominance. This is matched with 1:2:1. And D test cross. This is matched with 1:1. Next, how many times decarboxylation occurs during each TCA cycle? You mark the wrong option here. Right answer is here, twice. How many times decarboxylation occurs during each TCA cycle? Answer, twice. Next, the dissolution of synaptonemal complex occurs during diplotin. Identify the correct statement regarding mass flow hypothesis. 4 statements are given here and you have to identify how many are correct here. Now listen only correct here. First of all, A, mass flow is faster than diffusion. And then B, mass flow is a result of pressure difference between the endpoints. And then D only, mass flow can occur through either a positive or a negative hydrostatic pressure gradient. Next, doubling the number of chromosomes can be achieved by disrupting mitotic cell division soon after metaphase. Next, given 2 statements are there. Statement first, Iubisco is the most abundant enzyme in the world. Statement second, photorespiration does not occur in C4 plants. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct here. Next, in Riva-Popper hypothesis, Paul Ehrlich compared the rivets in Rivet-Popper hypothesis, Paul Ehrlich compared the rivets in an airplane to species within a genus. Next, in a pea flower, 5 petals are arranged in a specialized manner with one posterior, 2 lateral and 2 anterior. These are named as standard wings and keel respectively. In which of the following sets of families the pollen grains are variable for months? Answer is here, Leguminose, Solanaceae and Rosaceae. Next, transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of another flower of same plant is known as gaetonogamy. Next, the phenomena which is influenced by auxin and also played a major role in its discovery is phototropism. Next, the transverse section of plant parts showed polyarch, radial and exarch xylem with endodermis and pericycle. The plant part is identified as monocot root. Next one, what will happen if freshwater lake gets contaminated by the addition of polluted water with high BOD? Answer, amount of dissolved oxygen in the lake will decreases. The last chromosome sequenced in Human Genome Project was chromosome 1. The amount of nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, potassium and calcium present in the soil at any given time is referred to as standing state. Plants offer rewards to animal in the form of pollen and nectar, and the animal facilitate the pollination process. This is an example of mutualism. The species of plant that plays a vital role in controlling the relative abundance of other species in a community is called keystone species. Next is match the column A. Pteropsida. This is matched with Adiantum. B. Lycopsida. This is matched with Selaginella. C. Psilopsida. This is matched with Xylotum. And D. Sphenopsida. This is matched with Equisetum. Inulin is a polymer of fructose. Thermostable DNA polymerase used in PCR was isolated from Thermus aquaticus. Name the component that binds to the operator region of an operon and prevents the RNA polymerase from transcribing the operon. Answer is repressor protein. Next, a heterozygous pea plant with violet flowers was crossed with a homozygous pea plant with white flowers. Violet is dominant over white. Which one of the following represent the expected combinations among 40 progenies formed? You marked wrong option here. Listen the correct one. The correct answer is here 20 produce violet and 20 produce white flowers. Next, fatty acids are connected with the respiratory pathway through acetyl-CoA. Ligation of foreign DNA at which the following site will result in loss of tetracycline resistance of PBr322. Answer BAMH1. Next is match the column is here. A. Auxin. This is matched with promotes flowering in pineapple. B. Gibberellin. This is matched with increase in the length of grape stalks. C. Cytokinin. This is matched with overcoming apical dominance. And D. Ethylene. This is matched with promotes female flower formation in cucumber. Next one. During symport, two different molecules were across the membrane. You mark the wrong option here. Listen the correct one. Listen once again. During symbiote, two different molecules move across the membrane in same direction with the help of same carrier. Which classes of algae possesses pigment fucoxanthin? Answer Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. Next one, in which disorder change of single base pair in the gene for beta globin chain results in change of glutamic acid to valine? Answer is sickle cell anemia. For chemical defense against herbivorous, Calotropis has cardiac glycosides. Consider the following tissues in the stellar region of a stem showing secondary growth. Four things are given here. A. Primary xylem. B. Secondary xylem. C. Primary phloem. And D. Secondary phloem. Arrange these in the correct sequence of their position from pith towards cortex. Listen the correct position. First of all, A. Primary xylem. Then B. Secondary xylem. Then D. Secondary phloem. And then C. Primary phloem. Clear? Next, which of the following mineral ion is not remobilized in plants? Answer calcium. Which out of the following statement is incorrect? Cyclic photophosphorylation involved both PS1 and PS2. This is the incorrect statement. Next is match the column. A. Nitrococcus. This is matched with conversion of ammonia to nitrite. B. Rhizobium. This is matched with conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. C. Theobacillus. This is matched with denitrification. And D. Nitrobacter. This is matched with conversion of nitrite to nitrate. Next is you have dropped this one. Listen. In angiosperms, the correct sequence of events leading to the formation of female gametophyte in the ovule is. 5 statements are given here. You have to choose the correct answer from the options given below. All 5 in angiosperm, the correct sequence. Listen the correct sequence. First of all, C. Meiotic division in megaspores mother cell. Then B. Degeneration of 3 megaspores. And then 3 successive free nuclear divisions in functional megaspores, and then migration of 3 nuclei towards the each pole, and finally formation of a wall resulting in 7-cell embryo sac. Okay, next one. Which of the following statement is true? All pteridophytes exhibit haplodiplontic pattern. This is true statement here. Which of the following statements is incorrect? Above, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. It is used to deliver gene of interest in both prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic host cell. This is the incorrect statement. Okay, next, consider the following plant tissue. You have dropped this one. A. Axillary buds. B. Fascicular vascular cambium. C. Interfascicular cambium. D. Cork cambium. And E. Intercalary meristem. Now identify the lateral meristems among the above. The lateral meristems among the above are B. Fascicular vascular cambium, then C. Interfascicular cambium, and D only Cork cambium. Next is match the column. You have dropped this one. Listen. A. Kanamycin. This is matched with selectable marker. B. Celeal. This is matched with restriction site. C. Disarmed retroviruses. This is matched with delivers genes into animal cells. And D. Kanamycin R gene. This is matched with antibiotic resistance. Next is given below are two statements. First, the process of copying genetic information from one strand of the DNA into RNA is termed as transcription. Statement second, a transcription unit is DNA is defined primarily by 3 regions in the DNA, i.e. a promoter, the structural gene, and a terminator. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true here. Next, which scientist conducted an experiment with 32P and 35S labeled phases of demonstrating that DNA is the genetic material? Answer A.D. Hershey and M.J. Chase. Next, you have dropped this one. A certain plant homozygous for yellow seeds and red flowers are crossed with a plant homozygous for green seeds and white flowers. The F1 plants had yellow seeds and pink flowers. The F1 plants were self to get F2 progeny. Assuming independent assortment of the two characters, how many phenotypic categories are expected for these characters in the F2 generation? Answer is here 6. Next one, during which stages of mitosis and meiosis respectively does the centromere of each chromosome split? Answer anaphase and anaphase 2. Which of the following statement is not correct? You have dropped this one. Which of the following statement is not correct? Plant growth is generally determinate. This is not correct. Next is match the column is here. A. Zygomorphic. This is matched with cassia. B. Hypogynous. This is matched with mustard. C. Perigynous. This is matched with plum. And D. Epigynous. This is matched with cucumber. Next question, you have dropped this one. Given below are two statements. First, the process of translocation through phloem is unidirectional, but through xylem it is bidirectional. Second statement, the most readily mobilized elements are phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, and potassium. Statement 1 is incorrect here and statement 2 is correct here. Next is, which of the following sexually transmitted infections are completely curable? Answer syphilis and trichomoniasis. Next is match the column. A. Typhoid. This is matched with Salmonella. B. Elephantiasis. This is matched with Escalamenthes. And C. Ringworm. This is matched with Microsporum. And D. Malaria. This is matched with Protozoan. Next, which of the following is not a secondary metabolite? You have marked the wrong option here. Listen, which of the following is not a secondary metabolite? Answer is here lecithin. Next, once again you have marked the wrong option here. Arrange the sequence of different hormones for their role during gametogenesis. Listen, the right sequence. First of all, B. Gonadotropin releasing hormone from hypothalamus. Then E. Gonadotropins from anterior pituitary gland. Then A. Gonadotropin LH stimulates synthesis and secretion of androgen. Then C. Androgen stimulates spermatogenesis. And finally D. Gonadotropin FSH helps in the process of spermiogenesis. Next, housefly. Housefly belongs to blank family. Housefly belongs to Muscidae. Mucidae family. Next, select incorrect statement regarding chemical structure of insulin. The incorrect statement is here. Mature insulin molecule consists of 3 polypeptide chains A, B and C. This is the incorrect one. Next, which one of the following is the quiescent stage of cell cycle? Answer is 4G0. Next, two statements are given here. Statement 1, RNA being unstable, it mutates at a faster rate. Statement 2, RNA can directly code for synthesis of protein, hence can easily express the characters. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true here. Next is assertion. Is an assertion. Ascending limb of the loop of Henle is impermeable to water and allows transport of electrolytes actively or passively. Reason, dilution of filtrate takes place due to afflux of electrolytes in the medullary fluid. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. The cockroach is uricotelic only. Which of the following statements are correct with respect to the hormone and its function? A and B. Two statements are correct here. Listen. A, thyrocalcitonin TCT regulates the blood calcium level. This is the correct statement. And B, in males, FSH and androgen regulates spermatogenesis. This is also correct one. Next, select the sequence of steps in respiration. The correct sequence. Listen the correct sequence. First of all, D, pulmonary ventilation by which atmospheric air is drawn in and CO2 rich alveolar air is released out. Then A, diffusion of gases O2 and CO2 across alveolar membrane. Then C, transport of gases by the blood. Then B, diffusion of O2 and CO2 between blood and tissues. And finally E, utilization of O2 by the cells for catabolic reactions and resultant release of CO2. Next, which of the following are cause of biodiversity losses? Answer is here: over exploitation, habitat loss and fragmentation. Next is match the column. A, contractile vacuole. This is matched with amoeba. B, water vascular system. This is matched with Asteris. C, canal system. This is matched with Spongilla. And D, flame cells. This is matched with Tinea. Next one, match the column once again. A, palm bones. These are matched with metacarpals. B, wrist bone. These are matched with carpals. C, ankle bones. These are matched with tarsals. And D, digit bone. This is matched with phalanges. Next, once again, match the column. A, non-medicated IUDs. This is matched with lips loop. Next, B, copper releasing IUDs. This is matched with multi-load 375. C, hormones releasing IUDs. This is matched with LNG20. And D, valves. This is matched with rubber barrier. Which of the following can act as molecular seizure? Answer, restriction enzyme. Select the correct statement about sickle cell anemia. 4 statements are given here and choose the correct answers from the options given below. The right answer is A and C only. A is here. There is a change in the gene for metaglobin. And C, it is an example of point mutation. These two are the only correct statements about sickle cell anemia. Next one, given below are 2 statements. First, intracytoplasmic sperm injection ICSI is another specialized procedure of in vivo fertilization. And second statement, infertility cases due to the inability of the male partner to inseminate the female can be corrected by artificial insemination. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is true here. Next is match the column is here. A, P wave. These are matched with depolarization of atria. B, QRS complex. This is matched depolarization of ventricles. C, T wave. These are matched with repolarization of ventricles. And D, end of T wave. These are end of systole. Next is once again match the column. A is eosinophils. These are matched with 2 to 3%. Lymphocytes. These are matched with 20 to 25%. Neutrophils. These are matched with 60 to 65%. And D, monocytes. This is a matched with 6 to 8%. Given below are 2 statements. First, goblet cells are unicellular. Goblet cells are unicellular glands, and second, earwax is the secretion of exocrine gland. Both statement 1 and 2 are true here. Next, given below are 2 statements regarding oogenesis. First, the primary follicles get surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells, a theca and shows fluid-filled cavity antrum. Now it is called secondary follicle. Statement second. Graphene follicle ruptures to release the secondary oocyte from the ovary by the process called ovulation. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is true here or correct here. Next question, you have marked the wrong option here. Listen, there are 250 snails in a pond and within a year their number increases to 2500 by reproduction. What should be their birth rate in per snail per year? Right answer is here 9. Given below are two statements. First, the nose contains mucus coated receptors which are specialized for receiving the sense of smell are called olfactory receptors. Second, wall of the eyeball has 3 layers. The external layer is called choroid, dense connective tissue. Middle layer is sclera, thin pigmented layer, and internal layer is retina, ganglion cells, bipolar cells, and photoreceptor cells. Statement 1 is true, but statement second is false here. Next, which one of the following acts as an inducer for lac operon? Answer lactose. Match the column. Next one is here. Deforestation. This is matched with conversion of forested areas to non-forested areas. B. Reforestation. This is matched with process of restoring a forest that once existed but was removed. And C. Greenhouse effect, matched with responsible for heating of Earth's surface and atmosphere. And D. Eutrophication. This is matched with natural aging of lake by nutrient enrichment of its water. Next, diacetylmorphine is also called as, you have marked the wrong option here. Right answer is here SMAC. Diacetylmorphine is also called as SMAC. X and Y are the components of binomial nomenclature. The naming system was produced by H. X generic name, Y specific epithet, and Z is here Carolus Linnaeus. Listen the complete sentence once again. Generic name and specific epithet are the components of binomial nomenclature. This naming system was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Next, which of the following statements are correct here? 4 statements are given here and you have to choose how many are correct here. Listen, only the correct here. First of all, A. Reproductive health refers to total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. This is correct here. Second, amniocentesis is legally banned for sex determination in India. This is also correct here. And finally, D. Amniocentesis is used to determine genetic disorders and survivability of fetus. This is also correct here. Next is match the column here. Terpenoids. This is matched with diterpenes. B. Unsaturated fatty acid. This is matched with concavalin A. And C. Nucleic acid. This is matched with codeine. And D. Polysaccharide. This is matched with ricin. Given below are two statements. First, in bacteria, the mesosomes are formed by the extension of the plasma membrane. And second statement, the mesosomes in bacteria help in DNA replication and cell wall formation. Statement 1 and statement 2 are correct here. Both the statements are correct here. Next, select the correct sequence of substages of prophase 1 of meiotic division. Sequence, you have to choose a sequence, correct the sequence. Listen, first of all, leptotene, then zygotene, then pachytene, then diplotin, and finally dikinesis. Next, brain stem of human brain consists of midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. Identify the fossil of a man who shows the following characteristics. A. Brain capacity of 1400 cc. B. Use hides to protect their body. And C. Buried their dead bodies. In the light of above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given. The right answer is Neanderthal man. Next one, with reference to Hershey and Chase experiment, select the correct statements. 4 statements are given here, 5 statements are given here. You have to choose the correct one. The correct statements are here, only A and B. A is here, viruses grown in the presence of radioactive phosphorus contain radioactive DNA. This is correct one. And B, viruses grown on radioactive sulfur contain radioactive protein. This is also correct here. Next, you have dropped this one. Select the correct sequential steps regarding the absorption of fatty acids and glycerol in the intestine. Listen the correct sequence. First of all, fatty acids and glycerol are incorporated into small droplets called micelles. Then micelles move into intestinal mucosa. Then micelles are reformed into small protein coated fat globules called chylomicrons. Then chylomicrons are transported into lacteals, and finally lacteals release the absorbed substances into the bloodstream. Next is assertion reason. Assertion: a person goes to high altitude and experiences altitude sickness with symptoms like breathing difficulty and heart palpitation. Reason: due to low atmospheric pressure at high altitude, the body does not get sufficient oxygen. Both A and R are true here, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next one, the salient features of genetic code are, answer is here C and D only. C is here, the code is unambiguous and specific, and D, the code is nearly universal. Next, arrange the events of renin angiotensin mechanism in correct sequence. This is the correct sequence here. First of all, fall in glomerular blood pressure, then activation of G cells and release of renin. Then angiotensinogen is converted to angiotensin 1 and then to angiotensin 2. And then angiotensin 2 activated release of aldosterone. And finally D, reabsorption of sodium and water from distal convoluted tubule. Select the correct statements regarding dissolved oxygen and biochemical oxygen demand. 5 statements are given here. You have to select the correct statements here. Listen, only correct statement here. First of all, A, BOD is inversely related to dissolved oxygen. Then B, low dissolved oxygen and high BOD lead to loss of aquatic life. Then D, both BOD and dissolved oxygen are indicator of health of a water body. And finally E, both BOD and dissolved oxygen are affected by amount of organic matter in the water body. These 4 statements are only the correct here. Next one, given below are 2 statements. Statement first, parathyroid hormone acts as bones and stimulates the process of bone resorption. Statement second, parathyroid hormone along with thyrocalcitonin plays a significant role in carbohydrate metabolism. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is false here. Next, select the correct statement here. 5 statements are given here. You have to select the correct one. Listen the correct here. Ctenophores reproduce only sexually and fertilization is external. Then in tapeworm, fertilization is internal but sexes are not separate. This is also correct here. And one more, ctenophores are exclusively marine, diploblastic and bioluminescent organism. These are the only correct statement here. Next is match the column. A, gene therapy. This is match the allows correction of a gene defect. B, RNA interference. This is matched with cellular defense. C, ELISA. This is matched with diagnostic test for AIDS. And D, gel electrophoresis. This is matched with separation of DNA fragments. Next, which of the following statements are correct in the context of Golgi operators? 5 statements are given here. Only A and C are correct here. Listen. A, it is the important site for the formation of glycoprotein and glycolipids. And C only, it modifies the protein synthesized by ribosomes on ER. Next, you have dropped this one. Listen. Select the incorrect statement with respect to multiple ovulation embryo transfer MOET technology. The incorrect statements here: fertilized eggs at 4 to 6 cells stages are recovered non-surgically from a super ovulating cow and transferred to a surrogate mother. This is the incorrect statement. Given below are 2 statements. First, in cockroaches, the forewings are transparent and prothoracic is in origin. Statement second, in cockroaches, the hind wings are opaque, leathery, and mesothoracic in origin. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false here. Next, match the column here. A, columnar epithelium. This is matched with inner lining of stomach and intestine. B, ciliated epithelium. This is matched with inner lining of bronchioles. C. Squamous epithelium. This is matched with endothelium. And D. Cuboidal epithelium. This is matched ducts of glands. Next, once again match the column. A. Cytokine barriers. This is matched with interferons. B. Cellular barriers. This is matched with neutrophils and macrophages. C. Physiological barriers. These are matched with tears and saliva. And D. Physical barriers. This is matched with mucus coating of respiratory tract. Last question. Select the correct statement with respect to mechanism of sex determination in grasshopper. The correct statements are here, B and D only. Listen. B. Male produces two different types of gametes, either with or without X chromosome. And D. All X bear an additional X chromosome besides the autosomes. That's all.